Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 20. So let's get started. So this is the Glass Dildo number 20 itself. As you can see, this is a very unique dildo and it's not your standard dildo. This is an indispensable toy in every nightstand. This dildo is strong and durable and can be used both anally and vaginally. The beaded shaft has a narrow tip and a wide bottom part. The glass is smooth and heavier than regular dildos. Glass sex toys are also safe to use in combination with any type of lubricant, for example water or silicone. You can also use this dildo as temperature play, so you can pop it in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations during use, or you could also pop it in warm water to enjoy warmer sensations during use. The choice is up to you, and because of the beaded shaft, it provides wonderful extra popping sensations during use. As mentioned earlier, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant or indeed a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your glass dildo in. This helps to keep it discreet and dust-free. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 20. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.